Okay, as we will to continue with the cause and effect example, we saw in the previous graph that um, we see how SAT grades is the effect of the cause of higher income among parents, and we also saw that it may not be the case in 100%, but in most of the cases. This might be due to higher income parents have how the district system works in US because higher income people pay more tax or contribute to more local or county tax, which leads to better schools. So maybe that's the reason. Or and we also see that um, it also plays nicely into how um, that might be one of the causes why you have um, higher income parents um, lead to good SAT grades among kids. But what we also see is that it's it may be the causes of other things also. Income of parents can be just one of the causes. It can be also that that particular student has attended SAT prep courses. Again, you know, schools which have SAT prep courses are better funded, so better fund again leads to high income neighborhoods. So it's in a way may be related, but again, that can be one of the causes. And also another cause can be the number of hours spent on homeworks. So that can also lead to better SAT grades. Um, high performing high school grades can also lead to better SAT score. So, in a way, to put it like as SAT score is an effect, and the causes are x1, x2, x3, x4. In this case, income of parents, SAT prep course, hours spent on homework, and high school grades, they all are the causes which might lead to better or worse SAT scores depending on how much of these things, at what level are these things for a particular students. So that's a little bit about cause and effect, which you will be using your mm, for your Friday assignments. In this case, we will be talking about what caused HIV, spread of HIV/AIDS in Southeast Asia, and what's the effect? The effect in this case is the policy responses or lack of policy responses by the Southeast Asian countries. So that's what we will be seeing in the um, for the Friday assignment, which you will be doing. So please read chapter uh, for 10, 11, and 12, 3 chapters, and you can pick either any one of the chapter to list out causes and policy references or all across the chapters. So it's up to you, and the instructions are all on the on course, and it should be pretty straightforward. And I see some of the students already submitted, but I get a sense that some of them are they haven't read the clear instructions. So please, I suggest them to go through again, and if you had to be resubmitted, please resubmit it um, so that you get a clear understanding of what the assignment is. So, as I mentioned, as an incentive to um, um, watching the video, I'll be providing a clue. So, the chapter 10 is about sex traffic. Chapter 11 is about military, and chapter 12 is about heroin, the usage of heroin. And so, as a clue or a hint to your assignment, you should be seeing the causes and policy responses within each of these chapters so that uh, that would be easy to tackle. Like, for example, in the sex traffic, what are the causes? The causes can be rural poverty, migration. So, think and what's the policy responses for that across these countries, across the Southeast Asian countries. So that's the clue I'm giving it to you for the assignment. And please read the 3 chapters. And once you complete the assignment, there will be another video which opens up, which actually lists out the causes and policy responses. And that video you can watch only after submitting this assignment. So, best of luck. I'm sure you all do well. And as always, if you have any questions, please shoot me an email or anything which you didn't understand. Feel free to contact me through via email. And stay warm. Weather seems to be really harsh coming in the next couple of days. Hope you stay warm and take good care. And see you on Monday.